Number 7, you're going to set up and solve a system of equations based on real life scenario. Here is you sell small and large candles at a cafe. You collect 144, selling a total of 28 candles. How much of each candle did you sell? All right, so let's define this here. I'm going to use S for the small and the L for the large. Okay, and here there are two equations. Here is the candle equation, and then the other one is the dollar equation, okay, or the money equation. All right, so the candle, the total candles that we saw were 28, so 28 was your total, and we sold small plus the large. Money, the total was 144, and we sell $6 for the small and then $4 for the large. This would be your two system of your equation. Okay, 28 equals to SL, and 144 is equal to 6S plus 4L. All right, so I'm going to solve this using elimination. I'm going to multiply this by -4. Okay, this is going to get me -4 times 28 is -112. So this is -112 is equal to -4s minus 4l. That's what the first one turned out to be. So I'm going to just erase that. And this is the second one here. Okay. All right. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to add. Okay. Here I have -112, add 144. This is get me 32. -4s plus 6s is a positive 2s. This does cancel. It gets you a 0l. Okay. Now we can just divide this by 2 to get the s alone. This cancels. It is, I think, what, 116 is equal to s. So that is small. Now we want the large, okay? So remember what the original equation was? It was 28 is equal to S plus L, okay? We know that S is 16, so we can make that substitution here. For the 16 is S. Now we subtract 16 to both sides. This does cancel, leaving you here with a 12. Yes, is equal to L. So you sold 12 large, and then you also sold 16 of the small. All right, and there you go. All right, let's do the next one. There is a total of 64 students in a drama club, so let's define some variables here. So the letter D here is going to be for the drama club. And then the Y here is going to be for the yearbook club. Okay. It says here that there are 64 students in drama club and yearbook club. Okay. So 64 is equal to the drama students plus the yearbook students. Then they say here that the drama club, which is D, is equal to 10 more, which is 10 plus, that is 10 more, than the yearbook club. Y. You're going to write a system that represents this situation. There you go. And how many students in each club. So there you go. Here we're going to where we see that the second equation is already solved for. So we're just going to use substitution. 64 is equal to D plus Y, but we can erase the D and plug in that substitution of just 10 plus Y, okay? 64 is equal to 10 plus 2Y. Subtract the 10 to both sides to get the Y alone. I get 54 is equal to 2Y. Divide by 2 to both sides, leaving you here with a Y is equal to 27. So 27 was 27 in the yearbook club. Okay. And then we want to get the drama. So we know drama is equal to 10 plus Y. So let's just make that substitution here. 27 was your y, and then just bring down 10. Okay, we just made that substitution. So the drama is equal to 37. Okay, so there are 37 in the drama club. All right, there you go. And then the last one here. The Blackwell and the Jones are watching a new Avatar movie at the Irvine Spectrum. Here are the prices. So the Blackwater and the Jones are watching the new Avatar movie. All right. And they want to find the adult and the price of the chicken of the show. Okay, so this is going to be the Blackwell equation. All right, for them, they had the total for them was $31.65 is equal to 2 adults plus 5 children. Okay. For the Jones equation, it is $23.75 is equal to 2 adults plus 3 children. Right? So this is the system that we have here, and we could solve for this. Okay. Notice that here the adults are the same. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to multiply this by -1. So that's a negative, that's a negative. This goes away and becomes a negative. All right, I just multiply by -1. And now I'm going to add these two equations, okay? So here you have $31.65 plus -23.75. That gets you $7.90 is equal to, this does cancel, leaving you with 2C, or which is just 2 children. Divide this by 2, divide this by 2. So this is now $3.95 is for the C. So this is for the children ticket. Okay. And we know that $31 plus 65 cents, which is the first equation, is equal to 2 adults plus 5 children. But we know that the children ticket is, from what we just solved, was $3.95. Okay. So now we use the $3.95 times 5. That gets you $19.75. That was the total of your children's ticket. Right? Now we're going to subtract the $19.75 from both sides. This does cancel. Okay. So it is $31.65 minus $19.75. This gets you $11.90 is equal to 2 adults. Okay, divide this by 2 to both sides. This does cancel. So the adult is going to be $11.90 divided by 2, which is $5.95. Okay, so this is the adult ticket. All right. Okay, so there you go. That is how you set up the equation, the systems of equation for the 3 scenarios and solve.